Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Ocean Gel. Call sign ABDC MMSI 123547698. Position 12 degrees and 14 minutes north, 43 degrees 6 minutes east. We are sinking due to severe hull damage after a collision. We require immediate assistance. 16 persons on board. Lifeboats are being deployed. Urgency message. Pan, 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 pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is MV. Urgency message. Pan, 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 pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is MV Ocean Gel. Call sign AVDC MMSI 123547698. Position 13 degrees 40 minutes north, 55 degrees 30 minutes east. We have an engine failure and are drifting towards shallow waters. Request towing assistance. Winds are at 25 knots. Safety message. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is MV Ocean Gel. Call sign AVDC. Navigational warning. A large container has been reported adrift in position 20 degrees 01 minutes north, 60 degrees 1 minutes east. Vessels are advised to navigate with conditions. Over.